I have a low battery.
Call her on your phone. Just do it, Katie.
Shh.
Do it now.
Hello?
Dang it!
Ah, nope, it's off.
Wait, did it hang up on him?
Fuck you, man. It's like golf. He's got to concentrate. He's angling towards the... He's got a downfall. Shut the fuck up. Hey, is Amy there? Amy? Yeah. Now, who's this? This Chad? I'm sorry. I apologize. It must be the wrong number. All right, take care. God damn it. I got some bitch on the fucking road. I didn't even call.